Okay, to create profiles for HDSDR, all you do is find the main program, create shortcuts to it, and then edit the shortcuts. I'll show you how to do that. If you find the main icon on your desktop for HDSDR, right click on it, go to Properties, and then from the Shortcut tab, look and see where the target is. That's where the main program lies. We can click on Open File Location, close that out, and we want to put some shortcuts on our desktop. That's where I put mine. I right click, hold down the mouse button, drag it over to the desktop, let go, and then left click on Create Shortcut here. And I'm going to do another one. I've got two shortcuts, and all I have to do is set those up for profiles. Now I thought that I would go into HDSDR, change all the settings that I wanted, and then click like File and Save to a profile, but that's not the way that it works. It's created using the shortcut icon and the -P command. So let's go into this first one. I'm going to right click on it and go to Properties, and from the shortcut tab I want to go to the target field and put in -P and then name my profile CW Skimmer _ narrow, and you can't have any spaces in there or any unusual characters. Underscore works. So CW Skimmer narrow, and then I want to name the shortcut CW Skimmer narrow, and you can't have spaces in this one. So I've got that one ready. Let's do this one. Go to the target, -P space CW Skimmer wide, and the general tab to name it. CW Skimmer wide, and click OK. Now I've got these ready to go. The only thing left to do is to set up the parameters for this, or to go into HDSDR and change the settings that you need to change. So I need to put in the settings for CW Skimmer narrow and then CW Skimmer wide. Okay, let me show you how I'm using this. This is my sideband profile, and up in the top left hand corner you'll see HDSDR and then my profile name, which is single sideband. I have a different color scheme going on here, different filter width, and of course all of the settings over here are set up for single sideband. Now I have another one. I'm going to exit out. I have another one for CW narrow using CW Skimmer, and let me open that up. You'll see in the top left hand corner the name CW narrow. That's the profile. Different color scheme, different filter width. On the left hand side all these settings are, a few of them are different anyway, but I'm ready for CW Skimmer narrow. I've changed my radio over to 40 meters on CW portion of the band. Let me open up CW Skimmer. There it is, and I've already got it going. Let me turn on the radio, turn it up. And it's working. So if I click on a signal in CW Skimmer, my radio, HDSDR, everything syncs up. CW Skimmer, the radio, HDSDR syncs up. So that's how I'm using the profiles. I've got one more that's on CW Skimmer, and that's wide. And there's really only one change in HDSDR for that, but I went ahead and set up a profile anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please make them below. I'll do my best to answer any questions. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. That's how you support this channel. And also tell your friends. 73 and good DX.